Your house always feels too small? The Dynamic House by Protek is designed to solve exactly that, using modular sliding furniture, sliding panels, and pocket systems that disappear into the walls to completely rethink how space is used. Inspired by Japanese interior design, it combines minimalism with smart functionality, integrating everything from wardrobes, shelving, bathroom storage, and shoe racks to smart working modules. This approach becomes a true 3D Tetris of living, where vertical zones, hidden cavities, and unused wall depth are fully exploited, resulting in a fluid, modular space that adapts to your daily needs. Next is something that looks like a normal chair, but it's not meant to stay that way. With one smooth motion, it unfolds into a relaxed lounger, turning a forgotten corner into usable space. It's the kind of design that quietly adapts to you instead of demanding you adapt to it. To pair with the previous piece, this incredible dining table looks normal, until it isn't. With one smooth motion, it stretches from a compact round table into a full family-size setup, ready for meals, work, or gatherings in seconds. Next up is the Cinius telescopic ladder. Made of solid beechwood, it slides smoothly on guides and handles heavy loads, giving easy access to high shelves or wall-mounted storage. The Spazio bed hides drawers, compartments, and wardrobes under the mattress, turning wasted space into usable storage. Together, they make every inch count. To make the bedroom even more complete, they also have a pull-out wardrobe hanger, a sliding clothes rail that gives you effortless access to everything in your closet. No more wrestling with hangers at the back. It glides out smoothly so you can grab shirts, jackets, or coats without frustration, keeping your wardrobe neat, organized, and chaos-free. While everyone wants a minimalist home, nobody likes talking about the part where we actually have stuff. That's where this design from EGGERSMANN gets clever. Hidden panels drop down into a full work desk when you need it, then disappear the second you're done. Drawers open with a light touch, storage swallows papers, cables, and clutter, and even power outlets and USB ports stay hidden until the moment you need them. And just when you think that's it, cabinets open to reveal things you'd never expect. A concealed bar, illuminated bookshelves that light up automatically, and entire storage zones tucked behind push-to-open walls. Even the TV melts into the space, controlled hands-free so nothing breaks the flow. It's not about owning less. It's about hiding chaos, so your home always feels calm, clean, and effortlessly minimal. If you're in the market for a sofa, this one plays in a different league. At its core is a genuine Italian folding mechanism that smoothly transforms the sofa into a full-size bed. Not a backup, an actual place to sleep. No removing cushions, no broken seams in the middle, just one clean motion and a flat, supportive mattress underneath. It's designed so your living room doesn't pretend to be a bedroom. It actually becomes one when you need it. Prepare to have your expectations flipped. The Transformer Table 4.0 doesn't settle for one size. It starts compact, then stretches with modular extensions all the way to 10 feet, adapting instantly to meals, work, or gatherings. Built from solid wood with timeless finishes that balance elegance and durability, it hides storage perfectly because clutter is the enemy and homes aren't getting any bigger. Fully assembled and ready to go, it transforms your space the moment it lands. Following the same principle, the Transformer desk flips from a simple table into a full workspace in seconds thanks to its hydraulic mechanism. One half rises vertically, perfect for monitors or screens, while the other stays ready for keyboards, papers, or even a quick meal. With space for all your gear, smart organization, and quick setup straight to your door, it adapts seamlessly to work, study, gaming, or anything else you throw at it. Deep cabinets are great for storage until you can't reach what's inside. Shallow ones are easier to access but waste space. The solution: double-layer shoe and storage cabinets. You get the best of both worlds. Full use of space without struggling to grab your shoes or stuff. It's all about putting you in control. The cabinet works for you, not the other way around. Moveis.MagicBox makes beds that feel like a trick of the eye. And this one is no exception. With a single pull, a second bed glides out smoothly from underneath. Suddenly, your twin becomes a queen when you need it. Clever, compact, and built to last, it strikes the perfect balance between quality and value, giving you more space without compromise. Ever wanted a bed and a full desk in the same space? HoHome made it possible. A full-length desk hides a fold-down bed that glides out effortlessly on a hydraulic system. No wrestling, no guessing. Release the safety locks, press gently, undo the mattress straps, and suddenly your workspace becomes a proper sleeping spot. Flip it back, and your room snaps instantly into work mode again. Compact, clever, and ridiculously satisfying. And of course, no video would be complete without a mid-century gem. A sleek table slides open to reveal a hidden compartment for drinks, paired with elegant yellow curved lounge chairs in classic mid-century style. Add to that a stunning secretary desk with a drop-down panel, instantly transforming it from a clean surface into a small workspace. Ever wished a recliner could read your mind? The C-Swing. Recliner by HohomeHK almost does. Adjustable seating and a supportive headrest let you dial in the perfect position, whether sitting upright or leaning back to relax. A built-in lift assist glides you effortlessly to your feet and back into the seat. Clever details like a hidden side pocket and flexible power options let it blend seamlessly into any living space. Comfort and convenience, all in one. CLEI makes transformable furniture that actually makes you do a double take. First, a wall table that hides as artwork when not in use, style and function rolled into one. Then, a Murphy bed that folds up like a piece of art, converts into a sofa, and even splits from queen to twin for total flexibility. There's also an automatic pull-out version operated with just a button. One press, and the bed or sofa glides out smoothly on its own. No lifting, no wrestling, no awkward maneuvers. And the cherry on top? A Murphy bed paired with a study desk that stays perfectly level when the bed drops. Your work stays undisturbed while the bed magically appears. Perfect for work, play, or sleep without compromising a thing. Now let's step into the kitchen with cozies. They've absolutely cooked, taking compact to a whole new level. A sliding board pops out exactly when you need extra workspace, then vanishes without taking up a permanent inch. A pull-out drying rack handles laundry quietly. No clunky standalone solutions needed. Even the rotating dining table unfolds into a 4-person setup from just 600 millimeters of depth, doubling as extra counter space when folded back. All of it fits within roughly 2.1 meters, packing appliances, storage, and multiple functions into one ridiculously clever, space-saving kitchen. To finish up, check out the on-off twist table by Toomade, a genius wall-integrated piece that hides as a simple panel until you need it. Give the top a twist, and the table rotates and unfolds into a full desk or dining surface in seconds. The mechanism is clever enough to double as a workspace or a small table, all without taking up a single inch of floor space when it's not in use. Here are some cool designs we thought you may like.